Sosh, after a tough win against Clongafton at the weekend, it's another road trip to Anglesey against Holyhead on Saturday for Ultimate game.
Yeah, another tough one. Like I said, there's no easy game in this league, and to be fair, they had a good result on Saturday, so another tough place to go.
After another month unbeaten, it's and 12 games unbeaten in the league, it's going in with fine form, aren't we? So.
Yeah, we're going well. Like I said, at the start we want to play. We've got to be at it every game, and to be fair, we have. I think we had one little blip so far this season, so it's still early days. We just got to keep that run going.
And just I say in early days, it's just like hit the halfway mark of the season, and we are top of the league. And I know it's too early to say, but surely being top at this stage of the season is a big advantage.
Yeah, it's good to be there. Like I said at the start, that's where we wanted to be. And to be fair, we are there. The lads have performed week in, week out. So, you know, it's a strong league. There's a lot of good teams in it, and we've just got to keep going. Otherwise, we're going to get caught.
Last week it was a clean sheet. It was impressive. Out of the last 3 games, we had 2 clean sheets and 1 beat against Birchfield. So, showing defensive starting to tighten up, or
yeah, I think we're averaging 3.5 goals a game. Scored another 3 the other night. But the clean sheet was good. You know, I think that's let us down a little bit this year, kicking clean sheets, which, you know, I was a bit annoyed with. But to be fair, the last couple of games we've seemed to tighten up.
And Cal Humphreys returning from suspension. Is there any other team using?
Yeah, Callum's back from suspension. Joe Palmer's had a little slight niggle. He had to come off on Saturday, so it's 50-50 with him, and that's it really.
So a nice to have a fully strength squad going into a busy festive period, or?
Yeah, we've still got Jamie Crowther out, Brady McGilliway's out, Hewitt's still, you know, a couple of weeks off, so you know, he needs match fitness in his games, so we've still got 3 or 4 out, so hopefully January time we should be, you know, fully at it with a full squad.